Hello viewers, in this video I'll show how to fix Facebook comment not showing or loading problem. Let's see how to fix this problem. Go to phone setting, scroll down, click on app management and click on app list. Click on Facebook, tap on storage and cache, tap on clear storage, tap on delete. Go to Play Store or open on Play Store, click on search bar and search Facebook. Update Facebook app, swipe down notification panel, turn on flight mode or airplane mode just few seconds. Go to Facebook app, Facebook comment showing. Thanks for watching. Don't forget like and subscribe.